General form of a polynomial. In general, a polynomial in one variable x can be written as p of x equals to an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus so on till a2 x square plus a1x plus a naught. In this polynomial, a naught has x to the power 0. That means this is a constant term in this polynomial. Here an minus 1, a1, a naught all are real numbers and n is an integer. The integer n is known as the degree of the polynomial because it is the highest power of the variable. This is only possible when the coefficient of x to the power n is not 0. Had it been 0, then this entire term becomes 0 and the degree of the polynomial would be n minus 1. Now, let us consider a case when these coefficients are something else apart from the real numbers. If they all happen to be 0, then what does it become? When all these coefficients become 0 or all these constants in front of the variables become 0, this becomes a zero polynomial. In such a case, this is denoted by simply a 0. So, what is the degree of a zero polynomial? Since all these constants are 0, we do not know which integer to consider as the degree of the polynomial. There are multiple degrees associated with this polynomial then. All the coefficients are 0, so we are in a fix. Neither is the degree n, nor n minus 1, nor 2, nor 1. So the degree of a zero polynomial is actually not defined. Let us now practice some questions. Write the polynomials in the standard form and identify the polynomial by the degree and the number of terms. So if these are our questions, let us see the solutions. In the first case, we will write it in the standard form first and we rearrange the terms. The first term with the highest degree, minus 3x cubed, then minus 2x squared, and then plus 7. This is a polynomial with degree 3, or it is a cubic polynomial. And on the basis of the terms, it is a trinomial. Please note, had this polynomial been minus 3x cubed minus 2x cubed plus 7, then it would still have degree 3 and it would be a cubic polynomial. But in that case, since the polynomial can be simplified to minus 5 x cubed plus 7, so it no longer remains a trinomial, but then it becomes a binomial. So to find out whether it is a monomial, binomial, or trinomial, we must first simplify the polynomial. Let us consider the second case. In this case, we can rearrange the terms in the form of the highest degree coming first. So 3x squared is the first term, 2x is the second term, and plus 1 is the third term. Here, the degree of this polynomial is 2, or we can say that it is a quadratic polynomial. It has 3 terms in it, so it is a trinomial. Now, let us also consider another case. Had it been 3x squared plus 2x squared plus 1, in that scenario, it would be simplified as 5x squared plus 1, and then it would have been a binomial, though the degree would have remained the same. So in this lesson, we have studied the general form of the polynomial, which can be written as this. Here, an minus 1, a1 and a0 are real numbers. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.